Selling your apartment in as-is condition can be a smart decision to avoid costly renovations. Today, I want to share with you my tips on how to maximize the value of your Manhattan apartment without spending too much money. Tip number 1, proper pricing. The gap between renovated and unrenovated Manhattan apartments has reached a 10-year high. Today's buyers strongly resist unrenovated properties. That's why it's crucial to approach the sale of your as-is apartment with the right strategy. Overpricing, even slightly, could cause your apartment to just linger on the market. Tip number 2, make sure you highlight your apartment's best features, such as a great view, a fabulous layout, building amenities, and location to emphasize its value. Tip number 3, presentation matters, and a fresh paint job can work wonders. Consider linen white walls as a blank canvas for buyers to imagine their dream home. The smell of fresh paint can be alluring to buyers, making it a worthwhile investment. Tip number 3, while you can't hide defects, you can make some minor updates to improve your apartment's appeal. Replace kitchen cabinet faces or invest in new appliances. For the bathroom, consider a new vanity, a new toilet, or refinishing the bathtub. Remember, these updates should be cost-effective and add value. Tip number 4, first impressions count. So declutter and organize your apartment. Highlight the space's best features by removing unnecessary belongings and organizing closets. Manhattan buyers value ample closet space, so show them what your apartment has to offer. Tip number 5, once you've decluttered, have your apartment professionally cleaned. A deep clean before the first open house and keeping your apartment extremely clean for each showing will have a positive impression on potential buyers. Tip number 5, proper staging can work wonders for as-is apartments. Consider an empty apartment as a clean slate or rearranging existing furnishings to create a new flow and let in natural light. Stagers can neutralize the space and showcase its potential to buyers. If your apartment can't be physically staged, virtual staging is an excellent option. Include virtual stage photos in your marketing and have them available at showings. In addition, there's another powerful tool to showcase the potential of your as-is apartment. A video demonstrating an awe-inspiring renovation transformation. And I have just the perfect example for you. Join me as we watch a clip of the transformation of my listing at 555 Park Avenue, apartment 7E, using the magic of virtual staging. Number 6, accept the fact that your apartment needs work and make it easier for potential buyers to envision its potential. When marketing an as-is property, I provide buyers with a building's alteration agreement. Also, I consult with one of my top renovation contractors for quotes on different levels of renovation to include details and renderings. Having a renovation cost estimates on hand will help buyers plan for their future home. In conclusion, selling your Manhattan apartment in as-is condition can be a successful strategy when done right. Proper pricing, a fresh paint job, minor updates, decluttering, staging, and considering virtual staging are all essential steps to maximizing your apartment's value. In addition, be sure you hire a broker with a great success record selling unrenovated apartments. Thanks for watching. For more of my advice videos and to watch my weekly Pulse Manhattan Market Report, go to carolstaab.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.